This is Jin Song. Today I'll be conducting an assessment of the running trails at DeSoto Park. This video is a bit different from my usual ones. As you can see, I'm filming on site. I was not originally planning on making a video today, but I was getting a bit of a case of cabin fever. I know that doesn't seem like it should be possible, seeing as I'm always filming this from the outdoors, but I decided to go out for something new. You know, it's one of those feelings that's kind of hard to describe. Like, I have a lot of good things going for me right now, but every so often I get this urge that I'm not doing enough with my life. Maybe to contribute to the community, or in terms of success. And it's taken me into interesting places in the past, whether that's meeting new people, going different places, trying new things. And what I plan to get involved more in, specifically in this case, is volunteering. It's something that I haven't done a lot in the past, haven't really looked into it, and I figure that this could be a good opportunity to try something new. So if anyone has any suggestions local to the area, hopefully, I'd be more than happy to hear about them. Rain's starting to come down pretty hard now. I don't know if you can see it or not. I was just enjoying the view over here, but I think I should really get started soon. Today we will be slightly adjusting our primary considerations to accommodate night running. Dedicated running trails for pedestrians, noise control, lighting instead of shade coverage, and crowding. Overheating is much less of a problem at night. Instead, our primary concern is safety. We want to be able to avoid possible tripping hazards and unexpected guests. It goes without saying that it's always beneficial to run with a partner, and even more beneficial at night. This park is really well developed with a wide variety of activities. There's a recreation center, a swimming pool, an outdoor fitness area, multiple purpose fields, this really cool picnic area that extends into the sea, so you get to see water on effectively all sides. I'm going to focus more on the trails that are actually part of the park than the path that I took, namely because it's a bit short. I probably ran about 4 laps. My rule of thumb is if I'm doing more than 2, I prefer an enclosed track. The trails themselves are all sidewalks, paved, very spacious. The smallest areas are 2 arms apart. The farthest ones can fit about 3 to 4 people running at the same time. The only hazard is that you have to cross the street several times. Not my favorite thing to do, but as a whole, I'd give it a 9 out of 10. There is minimal noise at this park. Barring a few streets that are closer to the neighborhoods, it's almost completely quiet. I'd give this a 9 out of 10. There is lighting all over the park. There might be a few areas with less lighting, but as a whole, the lighting is really good here. I'd give it a 9.5 out of 10. I probably counted a total of 5 people in the 2 hours that I spent at this park from 6 to 8 o'clock, which I imagine are among the peak busy hours. Crowding really isn't a problem here. Even if there were more people, there would have been more than enough space on these sidewalks. I would rate this a 5 out of 5. Our final weighted score for DeSoto Park was a whopping 32.5 out of 35. If it were not for the length of the park, I would certainly run there again. But if you are local to the area, or you don't mind running in lots of circles, then this could be the place for you. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for more videos. If you have any ideas for future content, volunteering opportunities, parks you'd like me to visit, let me know in the comments below. But until the next time, peace!